be reviewing this book soon, so be sure to tune into Hunyah Travels YouTube channel, subscribe to Hunyah Travels, and click on the bell icon for notifications. And also read Hunyah Travels, watch Hunyah Travels, and also listen to my podcast called Hunyah Travels Podcast on Speaker.com. And follow Hunyah Travels Instagram page, that's Hunyah at Hunyah Travels. And also follow me, Hunyah from Hunyah Travels, for inquiries on Instagram at Hunyah08. Right on time. So be sure to buy your books from Amazon. It's great service. It's also great buy books. A books outlet, which is their third-party service, is really good, so I recommend you to buy it. Third party, known as Great Buy Booklets, and it came from Chicago, as you could see. From Amazon, I got New Adventures of Marykate Nasty Unicorn Mystery, which is the last book in this series. So I would like to thank Amazon, and this is how it Travels Unboxing Book 6. So Happy New Year 2021. This is the first unboxing video of 2021.